Hey, I'm Ralph with Flexfilm, and we are driving down the road. I'm with Aaron. We're going to see a good customer of ours, and we wanted to make a quick video. And it's about a very crucial mistake most window tinters make, and I want to point it out. A lot of you guys don't put a face with your company. You know, customers, prospects, whatever you want to call them, that want to get their windows tinted, they will go to your website or maybe your Facebook, and they'll probably see an electronic brochure. There's a typical Asian, not Asian, but a European car. Maybe it's an Asian car, but a European car with window tinting above it. Okay, that is boring. Okay, if you want to be like everybody else, you'll have the same problems that everybody else has. You know, you'll be in that race to zero. You'll be in that price war. You know, customers will not be able to distinguish who you are among other choices. You know, I'm living proof that you can put a face to a company and increase your business and do a little better. You know, people want to come to your site, or that, you know, see your face. They want to see who you are. They want to, ideally, they'd like to see a video. You know, I envision a customer clicking on my website and seeing me. Hey, my name's Ralph. I'm the guy that's going to be tinting your car. I really appreciate this opportunity for visiting us. Let me tell you why you're going to choose me to do this job. I might even throw in something like, you know, I'm going to use a window film with no dye in it. I'm going to use carbon. I'm going to use something that's going to perform, you know, and I'm going to give you this competitive price that anybody else could give you, but with something with no dye in it that could fade and change colors. Or I can give you ceramic, you know, whatever you want to say. They want to see your face. They want to see you articulate. They want to see, you know, give them credibility. You know, make sure that you're not in front of a nasty bay, or, you know, make the background look pretty decent. People want to know who is going to do their tint job. Make them feel good. Make them see that you are the best choice. It's not hard, but I do this for my business, Flexfilm. A lot of people, when they call and buy film from us, they know who they're buying from. They may buy from us because they like what I say. They trust what I say. Maybe I've somehow in my videos helped them, you know, in some way. Therefore, they're going to give me an opportunity to sell them something. That's what you need to do. This is my driving tip of the day. Show your face. Show who you are. Don't be like everybody else.